Hello, today I want to pick this Mottura Champions C55, I believe it's called. It's got 5 pins in the main stack and 3 rotors with the sidebar, as well as this here, sort of a pin that was replaced, that the 4th rotor present in some other models like C43 or C48 was replaced with. Alright, let's see if it works with the key. Looks like it does. So let's try to pick it. Maybe I'll just make a different tensioner. Okay. Let's try it. Pin 1 is binding. Good click out of that. 2, small click out of 2. 3 is not binding, 4 is good. Now 5 is binding. Okay, some click out of 5. Some click out of 4. 5 good, 4 good, 3 good. Small click out of 2, I believe. Some click out of 1 again. 2 is good, 3 is good. Okay, after touching 4 we have a bigger false set. Now it's probably time to set the pin number 3. It's a max lift spool and a lot of pins reset during that. But it should be okay. 1, 2. We didn't lift it all the way, I think. Okay, click out of 3 now. Now 1 is binding. Click out of 1. Small click out of 2. 4 is good. 5 is binding. Okay, good click out of 5. 4 is okay. 5 is okay, 4 is okay. 3, 2 is binding. Small click. 1. We have a deepish full set. Now 4 is binding. Okay. Some counter rotation. It seems set now. Let's check all the pins now. One seems good. 2 feels good. 3, 2. Okay, all of the pins feel good, I guess. Let's check the interactive now. It should be somewhere over here. Maybe not with this pick. Okay, click and a deeper false set. Now we go for these sliders, or rather rotors. One's binding. think it's still binding after this initial click. Let's leave it for now. So it's binding. Okay, click out of 2, feels okay now. About 3. Okay, 3 feels like clicked into place. I think now we need to pick one. Okay, some click out of 1, but it's not there yet. Okay, 23 still feel good. Probably means that we still need to set this number 1 rotor. Okay. Well, that was quite cool. These rotors do give quite a clear feedback, but shit. These rotors do give quite clear feedback, but they're sort of hard to reach there, or rather hard to manipulate in a comfortable fashion. Alright, the pins are good. Like, it's only 5 pins and an interactive, so let's call it like 5.5, because the interactive isn't really a proper pin. It's just something that clicks into place on its own, pretty much, when you touch it in the right moment. But yeah, the main stack might be just 5 pins, but Mottura surely knows how to make their main stacks a proper picking experience. Okay, here we have our tray. Alrighty. First things first, the C-clip. Second things, we need a shim for this lock, like for no other lock, pretty much. Because A, it's not mine, and B, this lock really likes to, I mean, not this lock in particular, but just Mottura locks have a lot of shit going on in their plugs. Like there's holes in every direction possible, like from 4 sides, 2 for passive pins, 1 for sidebar or rotors, some for main stack, and so on. Okay, we have a follower. I hope it's going to be good. Looks like it might be good. Okay, I'm quite nervous. Well, it's Mottura after all. That's a scary lock to get, really. Okay. Main stack is shimmed, I believe. Yes. Now we just need to pray for the best, pretty much. And for a better follower. That is... This one is far from perfect. Where's the sidebar? Where is the sidebar? Okay. That's some... Okay. That looks like a... Well, no idea. These are the rotors. Huh. Yeah, as you can see, there's shit going on everywhere. Let's start here maybe. Is that the interactive? Okay, some passive pins. Interactive. Oh, okay. This is this weird pin that was here. That replaces a fourth rotor. Alright, what to take? Get out now. Here are some passive pins. This passive pin wants to stay. Here we can see the rotors in action. Rotating. Okay, let's take out the sidebar now. Alrighty, the sidebar, let's put it here. That's the interactive. Rotor here. Okay, let's do it this way. As you can see, this plug is drilled everywhere, pretty much. One moment of carelessness and you break this lock very easily. Okay, 1, 2 is a spool, 3 is a spool as well. We felt that, 4 is a spool, likewise, and the 5 is standard, yes? Yes, and the 6 is a standard as well. So the interactive in this lock is just a standard pin, and it is the same diameter as the other ones. I believe it makes it easier to produce. Okay. Let's take a loose look at details now. These are our pins, pretty much. And everything that's inside this lock. Standards, key pins, 2 spooled ones for torpedoes, 3 spools in the top stack, in the drivers, 2 standards, or 3 standards if we treat interactive as a standard. One this weird like wording pin, 5 passive pins, springed sidebar with 4 prongs, and like one prong surely goes here somewhere, right? Doesn't look like that. Okay, and these are the rotors. They have a false and a true gate. Okay, you can see true gate here and false gate right next to it here. True and false. Okay, I believe that's it. I need to wrap this up now. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day and bye bye.